Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find System. Now let's tap on Advanced, and right under it we've got Reset Options. As you can see on the second position, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. Here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings. Be aware that you cannot undo this action, so if you're ready, tap on Reset Settings again and wait a second. As you can see, we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.